that's the launch button. What will happen is there'll be a countdown, and then there will be an ignition source, chemical ignition. Then this valve will open up a slight amount to allow oxidizing agent onto it. Then it will open up full bore, and then 10 seconds later it will be at high altitude and it will detonate the drogue chute, which will detonate in there. And that's what will happen.
Is that Mum's vase?
Yeah, it's metal, it should be alright.
Is there actually something in there?
Oh yeah, it's a real test.
Okay.
Max.
So basically you ought to sit there and watch the countdown.
But no, I don't want to watch the
You
computer.
sit down there, watch the countdown, and press that button. I'll press the button, okay? Don't stand where you're standing there, really, because I don't know how big that explosion will be.
Should I press send?
No. I'm going to press this, and you'll watch. There. It didn't ignite. Oh, well, I'll have to look into that. Maybe the other one will. Oh, no, it won't. I haven't connected it all.
Oh.
Well, it's going through its sequence. It's going through its.
Can you not just restart it?
It's going through its sequence. Yeah, I'll restart it, but I haven't connected the power pack up. So you can see how that all works.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just get rid of that and bring it back fresh. Now we'll do it with the power. So that you'll only see a slight movement on that. Ready?
No, we need a countdown.
No, the countdown's
The
there.
countdown's on there.
Why is no one counting?
That's your job, Sam.
T minus.
T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now that has just moved there. So that's allowed nitrous oxide into that burning. I mean, there is an actual more of that stuff and it burns. So 10 seconds later, it's on full thrust at the moment. That's the detonation of the drogue chute. And then so many seconds later, there'll be...
Open a window, Sam.
There'll-
Oh, that's the dog gone.
There'll be another. We'll bring the other parachute out at 1,000 foot off the ground, so it'll be coming from 60,000 plus feet with a drogue chute at just.
That is mine.
That's all right, Anthony.
You never asked if you could borrow it.
And then we'll be watching it come down on the drogue chute, and then 1,000 foot from Earth will detonate the main parachute, and if it fails to come out, then it'll be piled into the ground. But
Was
it
that
will.
meant to be the parachute? Or?
That is the drogue, so I can bring it down without the wind taking it miles away. So
What's a drogue?
a small chute.
Oh, the one that comes out first.
No, it'll be a small chute. So
Okay.
first the small chute will come out, which will stabilise the rocket at 60 to 80,000 feet. So it comes down in the right plane and at a slower fall, more controlled speed, and then 1,000 foot off the ground will deploy the main parachute
Right.
and bring it down, boom. But that all works well, doesn't it?
That was cool.
That's really cool.
That's never been seen before, because I've not seen that.
No, I've only just
No,
done
that
it.
was it. That was the
You didn't
experiment.
tell me you were going to bloody fire a rocket
No.
in my house.
So what that does, that will be in a combustion bulkhead. So if you like, a very big bore gun. So when that detonates, it'll blow that bulkhead out and take the main chute with it. And then the second one will do the same but I haven't written the program.
What?
for
So
that
what
one.
was the first bit?
The first bit is when it's at apogee. So it's right up the top, it's run out of gas,
Yeah.
and it's no longer increasing in altitude. It's starting to fall, so I'll have a sensor telling me it's now falling because it's run out of gas.
Yeah.
And then it'll be sort of tumbling, it'll be like that coming down, and then I'll detonate the drogue chute. The drogue chute will come out, and then it'll come down as I want it to come down, in the plane I want it to come down.
Ah, that's the big one.
No, that's the first one, which is just a small drogue chute. So it stabilises it
Okay.
at high altitude, brings it down, and it brings it down so that the winds up there aren't taking it away. If I blow the main chute at 60,000 feet, I'll never see it again. It'll drift off to flipping Australia.
Right.
So I let it free fall, but under controlled speed with a drogue chute.
Okay.
And then when it gets just before it hits the earth, 1,000 foot up, we'll detonate again the main primary chute, which will be a big chute, poof,
Right, which is the second one.
which is the second one, which I haven't programmed yet.
How come the second one was so much bigger?
No, the first one is just igniting a chemical.
Yeah.
The second one is pushing metal apart.
Right.
It's got to break through.
What did you use to do that?
It's my own mixture.
You just made up a chemical bomb.
It's made with.
Yes, is the answer. A small chemical bomb in the living room.
Yeah, but it's
After
made.
never testing it, and he's fired it in the house.
No, I've tested.
Towards the curtain.
No. I have tested that in the workshop. I haven't tested the auto detonation of it.
That was really cool.
Yeah,
I had that on video.
good. Because we're going to post all this, mistakes and all. Because I've got lots of people around the world want to see the edited all video of it all. I says, well, we'll do it, mistakes and all, because it's more interesting.
Do you want to have a sign off?
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah.
You know, you meant to say something like.
Signing off.
Signing off. There you go.